Hey, how's it going, YouTube? So today we're doing an unboxing from RAVPower. As you can see, this is a power bank at 20,000 milliamp. And look at that, 60 watts, 2 ports. Alright, so I have a lot of these. I collect them just because, you know, I just love them, right? And so I went ahead and got this one because it should be strong enough to charge a lot of Apple products. This one says Apple Pad Pro, but from what I saw, this should be able to at least charge a little bit of my MacBook Pro. So let's just go ahead and do unboxing here. Stay powered is their tagline here. Oh wow. I'm trying to open the box without ripping it. So they sealed it very nicely. And the boxes, you know, didn't have too much stuff on the outside. Okay, so let's pop this open. Alright. Got some, just probably a little user manual, a little thank you card, and the typical cord. But this one is Type-C. So that's one of the more reasons why I got these, because I wanted something a little newer, and Type-C is the way to go. So yeah, so I got this one because it's a good size. It has 20,000 milliamps, and the part that I'm really impressed with is that it's Type-C, and I will be able to charge my laptop. All right, and I assume. Let's just crack this open real quick. I assume because Type-C that this would charge it pretty darn fast. I don't think this will actually tell you too much, but let's just crack and see what it says here. Charging blah blah. PD port, charging it automatically. So it doesn't really give you too much information, but I assume you could charge it pretty relatively fast. Okay, input, yeah, so you can charge it very fast, like 12 volts at 2.5 amps, or up to even 20 volts at 1.5 amps, which is 30 watts max. So that's really impressive. So basically, I should be able to use my laptop charger, my MacBook laptop charger, to charge this, and then later on, this will be able to charge my laptop. Cool? Makes sense? Anyway, so I wanted a nice Type-C charger bank here. I mean, I do have a couple of them, but I could tell this one, the quality is going to be a lot better. And as you can see, this is a very nice form-fitting one. I'm trying to look around. I think I only have one battery pack with me at the moment. I have them all spread out throughout the house. Let me just check this bag real quick. I try to carry them at different locations. Okay, here. So here's a couple samples. I have more. I guess they're downstairs. But the two right within arm's reach is this one, which I did unboxing a pretty long time ago, actually. This one's one of my first power banks that I got that was that had a Type-C charger in it, but it's a Type-C charger. I never actually tried using this Type-C port to actually charge another Type-C item because I'm pretty much Mac and Apple products, so you know Type-C is very limited in that part, I would say. But anyway, so this is Miracle. At the time, this type of design was really nice. It's just because it's rounded off and had a nice aluminum casing. Back then at 10,000 milliamps was pretty impressive for the size. As you can see, it's really thin, and of course it has a USB Type 2. Actually, I think this is Type what is it? When it's orange, it's I forgot. So there's the blue USB port, and then there's the orange one. I can't remember, but I think it's still considered smart charge, but this one goes up to 18 watts. Yeah, as you can tell, I mean, I just buy products because I love them. And this one has a nice LED indicator for indication type style. But you could charge it from micro, USB-C, and then of course there's this one's the stronger port for charging your newer products. Anyways, so that was that one. And then I have this one, which is a little bit bigger, and of course, as you can tell, this one here is a 24,000 milliamp, which calculates to about 88.8 watt hours. I definitely don't get that much, but I do leave this plugged in to like some of my kids' iPads and stuff, and the charge does last a pretty long time. I will give it that. I don't know about the 88 hours, but you know, it lasts a good amount of time whenever you double up on like 2 items or so. And usually I have at least 2 items plugged into this. But the reason why I got this is because it had the cool carbon fiber look. It had the wireless Qi charging, you know, to charge my iPhones, and you can see it. It does have some shows a little bit wear. I might be able to wipe that off, I don't know, but I think it's more scratches. And then of course this has a nice cool LED screen here, LCD screen, and actually would tell you if you're charging in or out, which is cool. And it'll also tell you which port that you're using. Out, there's 3 out ports, and this one actually does. So this one is not Type C, but it's actually an Apple plug, so you could charge it with any of your Apple plug devices, which is, I thought was pretty cool. Of course, it has a typical micro USB. Anyways, that's this power bank, and I love that too. And so this one is just another one that I'm adding to my collection. So as you can see from looking at the pictures, and I could tell that the quality of it is really nice, and I wanted something smooth, and just sometimes the simplest products, the simplest look feels better quality, right? And so that's why I got this one, just because I wanted more of a simple look. And you can just tell the quality is just really nice. Look at that. Look at that teal. Tell me that teal is not nice. It has the iSmart plug, so it knows what the device is, and it'll charge it appropriately. And I hit the button here, and you can see, let's see the charge here. So let's charge at least 70%. Alright. I mean, other than that, that's about it. As you can tell, this comes with 2 ports, so you could charge it with Type C, and of course it could output to Type C or the typical USB port. And here's the specs if you want to pause. But look at that, 60 watts, so you could definitely charge a medium-sized MacBook. And look at that. iSmart 3 amp charge, total of 60 watts max rated. So as you can tell, this is a very nice product. All right, I think I'm showing grease on this, which is okay. Wipes off very easily. Oh yeah, see, very easily. And again, this is from RAVPower. The weight is actually not that dense. I mean, they all overall use the same type of batteries, but the size of this and the way it grips the hand is definitely, this one definitely feels better. Especially if you want to carry stuff around, then you see this is twice the power, and it just has a nicer form fitting, I think. But the ports on this is going to be a lot better than this. Alright, so I mean, this is almost a comparison type, but it's really not. It's just more of showing you what I carry and what devices I like. And so I'm adding this RAVPower to the family of my power banks. Alright, and again, the quality of this is very nice. It's nice, hard, molded plastic. And they sealed the sides very nice. There's nothing that catches you at all. Look at that. Very nicely smooth. They did the plastic weld very nice. They sealed it very nice. And look at that. That attention to detail, just that really nice corner where everything is placed. It's very nice. It's a nice touch. Again, this is RAVPower. 20,000 milliamps, 60 watts, 2-port power bank. So if you have any questions, leave a comment below. I'll leave the product description again. I'll leave it down below and the link on Amazon so you can get the most updated pricing on this. And then, sorry, I need a drink of water, but make sure you like, share, and subscribe. All right, I'll leave it there.